What's up, you guys? My name is Eric and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming with my GoPro, just a little vlog. Gotta go get something to eat and then gotta film a video. I got my film equipment right here and I gotta go wash my car. This video is kind of like a little behind the scenes of how I make my videos. I got 2 video ideas right now that I gotta film, and probably not gonna release it until, I don't know, maybe the start of, actually all the videos that I'm gonna do right now are gonna be for next year, which next year technically is in like a couple of days. So I'll release it. I'll release one on the 1st and then another one a couple days after that. So yeah, 2020, guys. I know everybody is always saying 2020 is my year, this and that, but 2020 is not my year. 2020 is actually going to be the year where I grind super hard and I quit my job. Gas. I'm over here doing pulls and I need gas. Yeah. All right, let's see how much $30 got me. Oh, half a tank, really? Wow. Low-key was expecting a little bit more. Anyways, now it's time to go get something to eat and then gonna go wash my car, and then after I'm gonna go film. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, just finished washing my car. Now I didn't really record it because I always record it and usually end up posting it on Instagram. So yeah, this time I didn't record it. Now I just gotta wipe down the whole outside, clean my interior, and we're ready to film. So give me 1 sec, guys. Alright guys, just finished washing my car, cleaning, detailing my car. I didn't do the rims. I didn't really do much of the outside, but I sure did the inside. The only thing I need to do left is vacuum, and clean the inside windows. But I wiped down everything, wiped down the whole back, cleaned out my whole trunk, and whew, yeah. So now sun is setting, time to go to a spot where I but I always film there and try to catch that sunset. So let's go. Alright guys, just finished filming 2 videos actually, and now it's time to go home. Time to go home, edit these videos, and make them look nice. Actually 3 videos, because this is going to be a vlog behind the scenes kinda. But yeah guys, this was really dope, really cool, like background. Love coming over here. We literally came here, me and Jason, maybe like a couple of weeks ago before he left to Mexico, and we took up really cool pictures of when it was foggy, like super foggy. cars. I can't really do a pull for you guys. All right, guys, so I'm just editing the video right now, and I just realized that I don't have an outro, so this is gonna be my outro, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Turn on that post notification for you can always get alerted every time I post a new video. And that's it, guys. Peace.